Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make homemade coleslaw with 8 ingredients. 7 is on the table and the 8th one I'll let you know at the end. And I've added the ingredients in the description box and let's get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and to this I'm going to add 1 cup of shredded carrot, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ranch, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of honey. And we are going to mix everything till it blends together. Now let's start mixing everything together. Now our coleslaw is ready. And let's serve it. Now let's try the homemade coleslaw. Look how creamy it is. It's so good, and as I said before, I've added 7 ingredients and the 8th ingredient it's flour. If you make it out of flour, it tastes much better, and kids would love this because the cabbage and carrot they are crispy and very creamy, tasty and delicious. And easy to make at home. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.